Lighting's changed a lot with LED lighting. And then we love using a specific company that you can't just go buy at Home Depot or Lowe's, which not a big fan for most of those type things because they change their lineup so much that, especially with LEDs, they're all integrated. So if you go buy a fixture for recess type purposes that a lot of people are doing, you can't, you might not be able to find one to match that. But with lighting, I always like overlighting stuff because of dimmers, and you can extend a room by adding lights. We have a client that he's extending his kitchen, and we were talking about adding like 2 more rows of light into the family room area. So that way the kitchen, when you have on the kitchen lights, it actually lights up into some of that area. And then you just get a better feeling of the whole room versus here's a little isolated box of your kitchen that has some lights that are lighting up one little area.